Today is an extremely exciting day for the RV industry. We're excited. We want you to be excited as well. Today is the launch day for Liquishine products. Now, we have discussed Liquishine in a couple past videos and said that we are going to be using this moving forward. This is a phenomenal product. We're going to talk to you about it. There's something really exciting going on right now that when you get to the end of this video, we're going to send you over to it. Let's talk about Liquishine. I want to make a point that Liquishine is 100% IZZY approved.
Now, if you are new to the channel, you know that a clean RV, clean car, clean anything is a big deal to me. And Stella right now is pretty clean, very particular in the products that I use to clean the motorhome or anything. We have been in discussions with Liquishine, Liquefied for over a year when they approached us talking about this new product. If you know, we've been using Liquefied since they came out. It's got great reviews. And this product is no different. Why Liquefied and their team came up with Liquishine was to address a need in the RV world for RVers. Namely, that when you're on the road, sometimes you don't have access to water to clean your RV. So as a response, they hired a chemist and they came up with 4 different products. Now, we only have one product in hand right now, but we did test the other products. We will be getting the other products as they're made more widely available. But they have a black streak cleaner for people that have trailers and they get those black streaks. It works extremely well. They have a bug and tar remover, which is specific for that. And that's a deep cleaner. So that's going to strip off any wax. It's going to take off really anything that's on there. It's ceramic safe. They have a roof cleaner that does an excellent job for cleaning your roof. And then they have this product, which I really like this one because this is kind of the jack of all trades. This is a really good, just all-in-one, clean, wax, and leave a really great finish. We're going to demonstrate this. So all you need to do for this product to work, and again, we've done cleaning products before, especially this wash and wax. This addresses a lot that other products don't. This doesn't strip away your wax. It actually leaves a nice surface. And I'm going to show you how slick the hood is going to be when we're done. Let's clean right here. We'll show you. All you need is your spray bottle and some clean microfiber towels. It's very important. You want to make sure they're clean so it's lifting up the dirt and you're not re-spreading that dirt everywhere. So all I'm going to do is going to spray. You can see it's already kind of working on here. MJ's going to give me a nice, clean microfiber towel. This has a little lint on it, but this is clean. This came out of the wash. And I'm just going to quickly wipe. And it takes the dirt right off. I'm going to go on with the clean side. And just like that, it is smooth to the finish. Now I'm going to demonstrate this wash and wax on the wheel. This product is really not ideal for the wheel. I would be using, if I had it, I would be using the bug and tar cleaner to really deepen here. But like I said, this is going to be a nice overall cleaner to have if you just want to use it. So I'm just going to demonstrate right over here. You can see the clean microfiber towel. I'm just going to go right in the center here just to show you how quickly you can see how much dirt that's taken out. Again, ideally for this wheel, I would be using the deep cleaner, but I'm just showing you how much dirt this takes out.
Now, if those of you are wondering why we don't have all these cleaners yet, these are literally just launching.
They're just launching.
Just launching.
They're just launching.
Again, which we're going to talk about very shortly.
Now I want to show you a really cool test because this is the big advantage of this. It leaves a nice gloss finish. So right now, this is untreated. I'm going to show you the bottles on here, untreated, dirty. I'm going to spray and I'm going to wipe, and I hope this works.
It will.
It worked.
It's going to
It did work. It worked before. I haven't tried this yet, but let's just spray this area. We're going to clean this area up. Clean microfiber towel. We're going to wipe. This is really just to show the slick finish it's going to leave. I'm going to come over one more time. Now you saw before, I'm going to show you right now, okay? It leaves that sleek finish.
There we go.
Right? And look, no camera tricks. This side has not been treated. We're there. None treated. Treated. Let's do it one more time on this side because somebody's going to say, oh, you doctored it. Let's go right here. This just shows you, this leaves a nice gloss finish protection for your paint. That's what you want. This is good on auto. It's good on your RV. And remember, if you have a slick finish, any bugs that hit on there are going to, they're not going to stick, right? Well, at least they're going to come out much easier. Let me give it one more. Make sure I didn't wipe anything off in here. And here we go. Nice and clean.
There you go.
So that just shows you it does leave a protective finish. The wash and wax all. This is my favorite one. Now, if you go to liquifiedrv.com, you use discount code endless15, 15% off of any liquefied product, any Liquishine product. They have this one available. Of course, they have the bug and tar remover, the black streak cleaner, and the roof cleaner. Or you can get a bundle of the 4-pack. It's going to be discounted if you do that. The 15% off is going to work on everything. I am really happy that somebody's addressing a product like this, making a product like this for RVers. Let's do one more. Let's show it on some chrome, because somebody's going to ask like how it looks on the chrome. Now again, we're not super dirty. Let me just change those microfiber towels, get a clean one. I'm going to hit the chrome here. I'm just going to spray right here. We'll wipe it down just to show you that you can use it on those products, on that surface. I'll just give it a quick wipe. And then you want to go over on the clean side to get any residue off.
Any streaks, and they're gone.
So look how, if you step back, hon, you can really see how shiny that chrome finish is. You could use it on glass. You could use it on whatever surface you like. We're super happy about this. Made in the USA, which is even a better plus.
What's really cool about this, as we told you, this is launching today. Right now, we want you to head over Matt's RV Reviews YouTube channel, because there's a huge launch going on. They're talking about it. They're having fun. They're showing you the products. Today is the day. As Izzy said, we're going to put the link down below. You think that's enough?
I think that's enough.
Enough.
Yeah,
it's gonna wipe the wax off. And use the code endless15. Stock up on your Liquishine. Stock up on your liquefied. We're extremely excited about this product.
As we continue our travels throughout the year and the bugs really come out, you will be seeing us use this product as well as other ones as we continue to get it. It's available to the public. But we do want to thank the whole team at Liquefied and Liquishine. They hired a chemist to come up with this product because they wanted to make sure that they did it right. There was like nothing else on the market. And I think they nailed it.
Yeah,
and I think hopefully they come out with some other products, but this is a really good start. We'll be carrying this in our motorhome, keeping our motorhome clean, our car clean as we go down the road.
And I know some people are in the Founders Club for this. If you've been using this on your RV, put in the comments below, what has your experience been? I mean, we showed you this cleans amazing. The wax part is really something that we were missing. We're just super, super fans of this.
If you like videos like this, you want to know how to wash your RV with soap and water, if that's what you want to do, we'll link a video right over here. We thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the road.